How to add Google Analytics to Google Sites. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Analytics into your Google Sites and how you can get all of the data configuration of your website on your Google Analytics. So let's get into this. So first of all, this is Google Analytics that I've opened right now and I've already logged in. If you don't have an account, what you need to do is you have to get on the analytics.google.com and there you have to build your profile. You have to get into you have to add in your email, your password, already the profile of your Google. You can just sign in with that and you can get in onto this page. So after coming here you can see that this is the main page, and Google Analytics is a really good tool by Google. It is free to use. You can attach it to any of your website and you can calculate the analytics of your website. It can give you the users, how many users you have, what is the ratio of the new users, if people are liking your website, and how much engagement is with your website the people have. So you can basically analyze all of these things on this platform, and it is completely free. So Google Sites is another platform. It is also by Google, and here you can generate very good websites for completely free. You can also get a domain for yourself for your website, which is also free as well. So you can create websites for any business that you have on Google Sites as well. So here you can see that I have Google Sites with me, and I have already generated a website that is a very simple website that I've just created for the video purpose. So here you can see that it is named Go Eat, and it is just a restaurant website. So how you can attach your Google Analytics with your Google Sites? It's very simple. What you need to do is you have to click on this option of the settings. Click on that, and here you're going to see all the settings in there. Just go on and find analytics. Here you can see that this is analytics, and after coming here you're going to find this: connect your site to a Google Analytics account to get insights and metrics on usage, Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID. This is what you need to add your website, add Google Analytics into your website. You just have to get the Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID. So where you're gonna get that, that's basically the main game. So what you're going to do is you have to come on to Google Analytics, and here you can see that I have already got the analytics for one of my websites that I have created earlier. So that's why it's giving me a page something like this, and I also have the measurement ID for this website, but I'm not going into this right now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going on to the admin right here, click on that, and I'm going to get analytics for a new property. And for that, what I need to do is basically, this is the account that I have, and I'm going to create a new property right here. So I'm just going to click on this option. Okay, so property setup. So what I need to do is, first of all, I have to create a Google Analytics for property to measure your web or app data. I need to generate a property name. So the name of my restaurant was Go Eat. So I'm just going to name my property as Go Eat as well. Okay, so the next thing is reporting time. It is right now United States and the currency is United dollars. You can leave it as it is, or you can change it to your own country and your own time, depending upon where you are located. So after coming onto the next page, here you can see that help us tailor your experience by answering the following: industry category. Which one is your industry category? What are you basically dealing in? You can select your category here. You can see that I'm into food and drink because I have a restaurant, so I'm just going to click on that. And then you have a business size. What kind of business do you have? You have small, medium, large, or very large. So you can see the number of employees that are included in small. It's 1 to 10. So let's say that I have a small business. It's just a small restaurant that I run by myself. And here you can see that how do you intend to use your Google Analytics with your business. Check all that apply. Okay, measure customer engagement with my site or app. Yes. Optimize my site or app experience. Okay. Measure data across multiple devices. That's, you can leave that. It's completely up to you what you want your Google Analytics to do for you. So you can basically select all of them, or you can leave all of them and select some of them. It's completely up to you. So I'm just going to go on and randomly select some of them. Measure app installs, analyze my online sales, optimize my advertising cost. Okay, so these are all the things that I want to do with my Google Analytics. I'm just going to click on create. Okay, so the property has been created, and here you can see that you're going to start collecting the data. Choose a platform, your web, Android app, or you have iOS. So you can see that this is the property that I've just created. Now what you need to do is basically, okay, so now you have your property here. So now you have to start collecting the data for this website. So what you need to do is you have to choose the platform. I have a website, so that's why I'm just going to choose the web right here, and after that you're going to see something like this. So this is a website URL. Here you're going to paste the URL of your website, and then you have to name the stream. So for that, I'm just going to go on my Google sites, and from here I'm going to get the link for my website. So for to get this link, what you need to do is you have to publish your website first. If you don't have a published website, you won't be able to get the link for that. I already published my website, so that's why I can get the link from this option right here, copy published site link. Just click on that, and it is going to generate the link for you. I'm just going to copy this link, and then I'm going to go on to Google Analytics, and I'm going to paste the link right here. So after pasting here, you can see that it already has given HTTPS. So you have to basically you can remove all of that. You don't need that because then it's going to give an error. And then you are going to click remove all of that as well. Sites.google.com view go 80015. So this is what I need. This is the website of my this is mainly the website URL that I've just copied. Okay, so the next thing is stream name. What you want to name your stream, I'm going to name it Go Eat as well, because this is the name of my restaurant. So I'm just going to click on that. Okay, so after that, you can see that enhanced measurement, you have page views, scrolled outbound links, and 4 more things that my Google Analytics is going to measure for me. After that, just click on this option, create stream. And here you can see that you got your stream updated, and this is the stream name, stream URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. So you just have to copy this measurement ID right here. Okay, so just copy your measurement ID right here, and then go on to Google Sites, go on to the settings, go on to analytics, and paste this Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID. Copy and enable analytics, and there you go. So now you have your analytics enabled onto your website, and you can access all of them right here onto your Google Analytics. And it is very easy, and you can basically see what's happening around your website, what's going on. Let me show you what are the options in Google Analytics that you can see. Like for example, right here you have your home, then you have your reports. You can basically report you can get the report of everything that's happening onto your website. Either it is like for example, if it is just your users, the clicks, the engagement, whatever you want to see, and how your website is doing, it is going to give you a quick report of whatever is happening. You can see that you have your users, you have new users, you have average engagement time, you have your total revenue as well, and then you have users in last 30 minutes, like in the top countries, and the users per countries are also available. And you also have your insights. You can create your insights, will appear here soon. Where do your new users come from, like which area is more engaged in your business, and why. You can basically work on the things that you think are like a bit low. For like for example, if you have an online business, or if you're losing business in some specific area, you can work on that, and you can basically see what's happening, so that like why you are losing business in that specific area. So you can see all of these things here, and it is a really good platform, and they are completely free, which makes it very easy to use. Okay, so I hope you got everything that you were looking for, and I was a big help to you. So please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.